there, this is Mark Leong here. I wish all of you Kong Hei Fa Chok and Huada if you are watching this video. Now, the question that I get for the last few days is, Mark, should I indulge during this Chinese New Year? Guess what? Of course you should, right? I'll share with you how you're gonna lose weight fast after that. But it's not about that 5 days or that chap gourmet, the 15 days of indulgence. What matters most is that 360 days, what habits have you built? Alright, so people always focus on the wrong thing, looking at the wrong time, right? No point you're eating clean for that 5 or 10 days or even that 15 days when the whole 360 days you're eating the wrong food. Make sense, right? Now, very importantly, I've been walking in Chinatown. I love the chi here, the energy. Look at this whole life, alright? So everyone is saying that this year is going to be strange, it's going to be unique because of the COVID. Don't let that stop you from bringing tradition back to life, alright? So I saw a lot of amazing cookies, bakwa, all these things that we grew up eating. So more importantly is, I'm going to share with you what is that remedy that all of us should be making in home, in your home, right, in your house, serving it to your family, your friends, and everyone else so that you don't have sore throat, so that you don't fall sick, and more importantly, don't go out. The cases are crazy on COVID, right? So I'm going to bring you to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make this amazing, powerful tonic that you're going to love it. Let's go, guys. Boom! Welcome to my kitchen. Now today what we're going to be doing together is this very powerful and delicious remedy called the cooling tonic. This tonic is going to help us during this festive period because it's so important that many of us are going to be enjoying your bakwa, your ong lai pia, right? Your cookies, your nut cookies, almond cookies, whatever cookies, right? So some of us may experience sore throat, indigestion. So you might be thinking, you know what, when I face this, what should I be doing? So this is the one that you're going to be making. And again, some people tell me, Mark, it's okay, I'm just going to eat on chap gourmet. No lah, many of us are going to be eating throughout the whole 15 days, I tell you, right? So now, what do you need to make this powerful tonic that is amazing for all ages, whether it's a kid, whether it's you or even your elderly parents? You only need 3 ingredients here that we can find easily in the wet market or anywhere else, right? Number 1, ginger. Go for old ginger. I will highly recommend that. Or if you can get bentong ginger, that is powerful. Ginger here contains anti-inflammation properties, right? You want to use ginger. Second ingredient, which is really important, is pineapple. The reason why I'm using pineapple because people think that, oh, it's Chinese New Year, ong ong. No lah, not ong ong only. But more importantly, because it contains bromelain, alright? So bromelain is known to support digestive issues. It's going to aid digestion, and more importantly, it's going to reduce inflammation in our throat and also in our body. And the third ingredient here is raw honey. Raw honey has antibacterial properties, and of course it also used in this tonic to help soothe the throat, just in case if after having too much inflammation your throat feels very dry, this is where honey is going to come in to smoothen that, right? So all these 3 amazing superfood here combined together, it gives you that cooling tonic. Alright, so now how much ginger do you need to use? I would highly recommend to use about 1 inch or 2 depending on your spiciness level. Alright, so very importantly is that keep the skin on. The skin contains gingeron. Gingeron has 10 times more anti-inflammation properties compared to the whole parts of the ginger. So kindly keep the skin on, really important, and you don't need to really get an organic ginger. You can just get a normal ginger, but make sure you are scrubbing it off to remove the soil and the dirt. Now then, of course, in terms of pineapple, I will highly recommend all of us here to use just about half pineapple. Alright, so now I'm going to start the juicing process, and make sure that when you are juicing, put in your ginger first, because ginger don't contain a lot of juice or water. You want to use the pineapple later to flush it out. Alright, so I'm going to put in my ginger first, and I want it a bit more spicy. I'm going to put in a bit more here. Alright, so I'm going to be putting my pineapples in. Alright, this amount that I'm going to be showing you is perfect to drink about 2 to 3 times a day. Alright, this is really effective. It's great to take it on empty stomach. And it's also great that after a heavy meal, you feel very bloated. This will help you to digest better as well. Alright, so yep, 2 to 3 times a day. Okay, we are almost there. You can see that this is really fast. So instead of just gargling with salt, a lot of us have been told, right, you got sore throat, go and gargle with salt. That's one effective way, but this is more powerful than just gargling with salt, right? Okay, see, we are almost there. It's going to take you less than, in fact, 3 minutes to do this. Alright, that's it. We are done. Alright, so then now I'm gonna release this amazing freshness. Look at that color here, right? Yellow color represents what? Ong ah. Yeah, Ong. After this, all of you gonna be very huat already. Huat ah. My team told me, Mark, maybe you shouldn't call this the cooling tonic. You should call this the goddess juice or the prosperity juice. I'm like, why every time Chinese gotta do with prosperity, goddess, right? No, it's called the cooling tonic, alright, for a reason. Okay, here you go. Look at this, beautiful. This is gold. Represent your huata, right? Your huata. Now, then the last ingredient is your raw honey. I'm going to be using a tablespoon, right? A tablespoon. Now, make sure you are not using the adulterated honey. Really, really important. You want really the good thing that's going in. Give it a good stir, alright? And you can drink this room temperature, you can drink this cold, but I would recommend you to drink this chilled. Very nice on a hot weather, right? After all your piang, after all your ong lai piang, you take this, wow, I tell you, solid, very good, okay? Alright, here you go. This is your cooling tonic, alright? Instantly you can feel very, very delicious. It's sweet, it's great, alright? So try these guys during your whole 15 days of Chinese New Year. This is Mark Leong here, and I wish all of you a 恭喜发财 and see you soon. Boom!